In 60 seconds, I'll show you how to link SimpliSafe to Google Home and Alexa. First, have the SimpliSafe app, Google Home app, and Alexa app installed and your accounts ready. Make sure your SimpliSafe base station and devices are updated and on the same Wi-Fi network. Open Google Home, tap Add, choose Setup Device, then works with Google to search for SimpliSafe. Select SimpliSafe, sign in with your SimpliSafe credentials, and authorize permission to link accounts. Assign your devices to rooms in Google Home and test voice control with a command like, "Hey Google, arm home." Now switch to Alexa. The steps are similar and quick. Open the Alexa app, tap More, then Skills and Games and search for the SimpliSafe skill. Enable the SimpliSafe skill, sign in with your SimpliSafe account, and complete the account linking flow. Ask Alexa to discover devices, then test commands like Alexa, arm home, and enable secure voice features if needed. If something fails, restart the apps and devices, check Wi-Fi and firmware, then try linking again. That's it. Like this video, subscribe for more smart home tips, and tap the bell for updates.